So friend, OnePlus is all set to unveil its flagship smartphone with the OnePlus 15, with first launch activities expected to begin in China and a global launch anticipated for the middle of November. Pre-orders are active in China, which means the launch is right around the corner. Everything you need to know about the OnePlus 15 are design and colors. The OnePlus 15 is expected to have a square-shaped camera module positioned at the back. Unlike the circular design it's followed in earlier models, the model is said to contain a pill-shaped cutout for two sensors, while another portion is for the flash and a third sensor. Revealings suggest that the smartphone will probably come in 4 shades: titanium, black, purple and a fresh new sandstorm finish. Let's talk about its specifications. It has the Snapdragon 8 Generation 5 Elite SoC from Qualcomm's powered the OnePlus 15, which comes with a 1.5K display and a 165Hz refresh rate. Its typical security shadow would be an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, and battery life specifications are also being witnessed for a significant uplift. The rumours mill spills a battery capacity of 7500 mAh with 100 watt fast charging that would charge the device fully for one day. Camera-wise, the OnePlus 15 is rumored to feature a triple 50 megapixel setup consisting of a primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens and a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom to enable professional-grade photographic abilities. And global launch event on November 13, 2025. And due to new design language, powerful chipset, enhanced display and improved camera system, the OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be one of the most sought after smartphones of 2025. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.